Hello, my name is Kugganaathan A. Loganathan. My matrix ID number is 08DEP19F2001, and today I'm going to present to you on how to make a cup of coffee. So the materials and ingredients needed to make a cup of coffee are a mug or a cup, coffee powder, condensed milk, a spoon, and some hot water. So the first step is 2 teaspoons of coffee powder is added to the mug. If you prefer your coffee to be bitter, then you can add a teaspoon more. Next, hot water is added to the cup, and 3/4 of the mug is filled. You should be careful when handling hot water because you don't want it to spill on yourself. And then the mixture is stirred. And the following step is one and a half teaspoon of condensed milk is added to the mixture. The mixture is continuously stirred until a brown hue is formed. Now make sure you don't add too much condensed milk or else the coffee will taste sweet. And once it is stirred, it is ready to be served. Normally people would add the hot water after you add the coffee powder and then the condensed milk. But normally I add the hot water after I add the coffee powder because in my opinion, I don't want the coffee powder to form a lump and then stick to the bottom of the mug. And it is ready to be served. You can either serve it by adding some crackers or biscuits, or you can serve it by as it is. Or if you want something chilled, you can add ice cubes and it can be served chilled. That is all. Thank you.